Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect GitHub to Replit in 2026. So if you want to import repositories, sync code, or manage projects between GitHub and Replit, this guide will walk you through the process. First, sign in to your Replit account and open your dashboard. Make sure you're using the account where you want to connect to your GitHub profile. Next, go to your account settings and look for the Connected Accounts or Integration section. This is where Replit allows you to link external services. If you're creating a new project, you may also have options to connect it with GitHub for version control and code synchronization. As you continue working, remember to commit and push important changes regularly if you're using GitHub as part of your development workflow. You can also pull updates from GitHub whenever changes are made outside of Replit, helping keep your project synchronized across platforms. Finally, test the connection by making a small change and verifying that your GitHub and Replit projects stay in sync as expected. And that's it. That's how to connect GitHub to Replit in 2026. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.